friends, welcome to my channel. My channel's name is Style My Way Usha and I'm Usha. I make videos related to lifestyle, styling, fashion, and I also do a lot of DIYs. If you like all these things, please subscribe to my channel. So today is going to be a shopping haul video. I bought a few items from Meesho and also from Myntra for the Diwali season. So without further ado, let's see what all I got. So first I'm going to share with you the clothing items which I got from Meesho, and then I'll move on to Myntra. So first one which I got is a yellow kurta set which I really liked. So I'm going to share it with you first. So this is this beautiful yellow colored kurta. It's an anarkali kurta. It's like this. It's very bright. You can say it's like a mango yellow color. It's the fabric is very good. I think it's rayon or cotton. It has this full sleeves like this, and it has a flare at the bottom. It's like this. So this is the flare. It's not like fully flared like the umbrella cut or something like that, but the flare is okay, and for the price I think it's very nice. The stitching is also quite good. The quality is good. It has a palazzo bottom like this. With that I got this dupatta. I love this dupatta so much. It will give a very pretty look to the kurta. Otherwise the kurta is just plain. So this is how the dupatta is. The print of the dupatta is so beautiful. These flowers are so pretty. Only thing is that I feel like this print is like some kind of a rubber print or what, I don't know. Maybe I should iron it on reverse so that the print won't go. I don't want to take a risk, so I'll iron it on reverse. So this is how it is. Then it has this tassels here of the same yellow fabric of the kurta. I didn't get lot of festive wear from Meesho. The kurta sets or kurtas which I got from Meesho are very casual, and especially I got cotton kurtas because I love to wear cotton for my daily use or daily purpose. So the next thing is this blue colored kurta and trouser or pants set. So the kurta looks like this. It's pure cotton kurta. It's a very nice fabric. I really loved it. The print is also very nice and beautiful. It's this indigo blue which is trending all the time. So it has this kind of 3/4 sleeves, and then the kurta looks like this. It's a normal casual wear kurta, but the sizes are little big for me, so I don't know if I can try them on, whether I can do a try on or not. If it won't fit properly, I'm not going to do a try on. Otherwise, whatever fits me properly, I'm going to show you the try on in this video only. So these are the trousers. See the pattern, it's so pretty. It's like this zigzag pattern in blue, white, and I think dark blue, light blue and white. So this is how the pants look. The next thing is this black chikankari kurta with a white thread work on it. So it's a chiffon kurta, and this is how the sleeves are. The thread work is quite good. I like the quality of the thread work. It's very heavy and nice. I think I bought this for 600 rupees or something like that. So this is how it looks, and there is work at the bottom also. This is how it looks. which I want to share with you is also a kurta set. It's also anarkali kurta, and it is this grey colored kurta. I love the print of this kurta. It looks very nice. I already wore it for my mother-in-law's birthday. It's a very comfortable fabric. It looks very nice. It is this purpley, grayish purpley color, as you can see. It's a little different from grey. I like this color a lot. It looked very nice. The sleeves are 3/4 sleeves and the print is so pretty. I love this print a lot. So this is how it looks, and it has the same flare as the yellow kurta. The flare is quite good enough, and the quality is very good. It's pure cotton. The fabric is very soft and comfortable. Then the bottom is like this. It's like a pant kind of bottom or trouser kind of bottoms. So it's of the same print as the kurta. This is how it looks. And then the dupatta is very pretty with this white pom-poms, as you can see. So the pom-poms look like this. This is how the pom-poms look. Looks very pretty. The print is also very nice on the dupatta. This is how it is. And then the whole dupatta has this kind of tree pattern print all over it, and then the border, and then pom-poms. This is also very nice. The dupatta is so good. I think the price of this one also was like 700 or 800 or something like that. Very reasonable. So the next thing which I want to share with you is a very beautiful and pretty kurta. I love this color a lot. So this is a peachy pink color, and it has this fuchsia pink piping on the neckline, and then polka dot. It's not a print, it's a thread work polka dot like this, and then the hem of the kurta is like this. It has this design. It has this floral pattern. This is all embroidered pattern. It's not a print. So even the polka dots are embroidered, and the sleeve is the 3/4 sleeve, and this also has the same floral embroidery going on here. I hope you can see it. Yeah, this is how it is. And I think this is also cotton. It's very soft and very nice. Even the quality of the stitching is very good. So it comes with an off-white bottom. This is a off-white colored plain bottom, and the hem has a lace like this. It's a crochet kind of lace. This can go very well with other kurtas also. This is very good. And then the dupatta looks like this. It's a off-white colored dupatta with the same pink flowers going on. This is a print, and it's not a embroidery or thread work. And then it has the same kind of crochet lace which you have seen for the bottom. It's a very beautiful dupatta. I really loved this one. So those were all the kurta sets which I bought from Meesho, and then I bought 2 saris from Meesho which I didn't like much. I felt the quality is not very good. I like the print and the design of this sari. It's very nice. I just don't like the fabric, because I am more into using more eco-friendly fabrics like cotton, silk and all. And I was very disappointed that it wasn't cotton or linen. So then it has this kind of printed border, and it has mirrors going on all over, as you can see. This is all mirror work here, here and here, and this is all print. The booties are all printed. And then the bottom looks like this. It has this kind of square block and design and mirror work going on here. So this is the fabric for the blouse which they have given. I love the print of the blouse. This is so pretty. It's going to look very good. The sari is going to look so pretty and so good. Only problem was that I didn't like the fabric. Otherwise everything is very nice with that sari. So the next sari is a cream colored sari. This is also a mixed fabric, I guess. It's not pure cotton. They said it's linen, but I'm not sure whether this is pure linen. It might be a mixed linen fabric. So this is how it looks. This is a creamy colored sari which has this beautiful floral kalamkari print all over, as you can see. The border is this plain grayish color one, and it has this beautiful colorful print all over. And I loved the pallu a lot. I'll show you the pallu. It's a very pretty pallu actually. So this is how the pallu looks. It's so pretty. This is how it is. I really like kalamkari print nowadays, so I bought this sari. So the sari comes with a blouse piece which is like this. It's a bluish grey colored blouse piece, and it has this faded pattern going on, as you can see. The same print as a pallu, but it's smaller. This is how it is. It looks quite good, but I don't know the faded effect how it will look with the sari. So the first thing which I got from Myntra is this grey colored kurta, which is a high-low kurta. As you can see, it's a high-low kind of kurta. And this is a foil print which is going on all over. And then it has this front opening and has a 3/4 sleeve. The fabric is a very soft cotton fabric. It's very comfortable and very nice. The flare is quite good and it looks very pretty when I wear it. I really loved this kind of kurta since a very long time. So finally I got it from Myntra. The kurta comes with a bottom which is like this dhoti type of bottom. Looks like this. And it's this olive green colored bottom. It's not the same color as the kurta. It's a contrasting color. Then it has the same foil print going on all over. This beautiful triangle print. So this is how it looks, and this is also cotton fabric and very soft and comfortable. I really love this kurta. It's a red colored kurta. The fabric is cotton. I think it's a mix or what? No, it's a cotton fabric. And then the neck of the kurta is like this with a zari. This is how it looks. And then the sleeve, I guess the sleeve is full sleeve. Yeah, this is a full sleeve. And it has the same brocade or zari border here. The same thing on the other side like this. This is the sleeve. And then it has cullis here and flare. And then it has the same zari border going on at the hem. So this is how it looks. It's very beautiful, very pretty and comfortable. I love to wear comfortable clothing for Diwali. So I usually wear sari for the Lakshmi Puja. Once the puja is done, I usually change into a dress. I'm not very comfortable wearing saris. So I'm going to wear this after the puja. I'm planning to wear this after the puja. So this is how it is. The bottom is a plain red palazzo. This is how it looks. It's very comfortable. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you like my haul. If you do, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and bye for now.